Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Suzuki Vitara. First of all, we need to make sure that Bluetooth is on. So basically you go to settings, Bluetooth there, Bluetooth's on, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. I've got rather a lot of things connected by Bluetooth to my system, but then from the home screen, you see there no phone connected. If I click on that, it says add device. Click on add device, start pairing from your device, search for my car and enter pin 3963. So my car's come up here, click on that. It's actually generated a random pin code, which it quite often does. So there we go, that's the same, 3985, yep, and pair. If you do it from car to device rather than device to car, then it generates a random pin code. So that's it, it's connecting now. Let's just try and find it. It's called My Car, wasn't it? Where's it gone? My Car connected. And that's it. It's connected on the car now.